you ready to dive into the most mind-blowing, game-changing AI tool of the year? Forget everything you know about AI image generators. Today we're talking about Gemini's Nano Banana web version. You've probably seen the viral 3D figurines, the hug my younger self trend, and the incredible AI transformations sweeping social media. But what is this magical tool, and how can you use it to unleash your creativity and even make some money? Stick around because we're about to show you how to do it all.
So, what exactly is Nano Banana?
It's Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model, and it's a game changer. It's not just about creating images from scratch, it's about intelligent prompt-based editing of your existing photos. With just a few simple words, you can turn a flat, ordinary picture into a hyper-realistic 3D masterpiece. It excels at things no other AI can, maintaining subject consistency across multiple images, making precise, targeted edits without messing up the rest of the photo, and even blending multiple images together seamlessly. The best part? The web version is incredibly easy to use and it's completely free to get started. Let's get to the good stuff. How do you do it? It's a simple 3-step process. Step 1. Access the Nano Banana tool. You'll want to go to the official Google AI Studio website and log in with your Google account. Look for the Nano Banana tool, which is officially Gemini 2.5 Flash image. Step 2. Choose your input. You have two powerful options. You can either use a photo, which is what we recommend for the most powerful edits, or you can use a text prompt alone. To upload a photo, just click the plus button and select the image you want to transform. Step 3. Craft your prompt. This is where the magic happens. The key is to be specific and descriptive. Don't just type "make a figurine." Instead, use a detailed prompt like this viral one from Google. Create a 1/7 scale commercialized figurine of the characters in the picture. In a realistic style, in a real environment, the figurine is placed on a computer desk. The figurine has a round, transparent acrylic base with no text on the base. The content on the computer screen is a 3D modeling process of this figurine. Next to the computer screen is a toy packaging box designed in a style reminiscent of high-quality collectible figures printed with original artwork. It sounds complex, but it's just a recipe for the AI. Copy and paste it, and you're good to go. If you like this kind of informative video, please don't hesitate to click that subscribe button. But wait, there's more. Nano Banana isn't just for fun. It's a realistic way to make money right now. Here are 3 ideas you can execute immediately. Money-making idea number 1. Personalized digital art and avatars. People are obsessed with turning their photos into something unique. You can offer a service on platforms like Fiverr or Etsy. Use Nano Banana to create custom 3D figurines of people's pets, fantasy avatars, or retro-style portraits. Charge a small fee for each custom-edited image. This is low cost and high demand. Money-making idea number 2. Social media marketing and content creation. If you have a business or an aspiring content creator, Nano Banana is your secret weapon. You can create eye-catching product mock-ups, branded stickers, and consistent characters for your social media feed. For example, take a basic product photo and use a prompt to place it in a beautiful, high-end environment, a need for expensive photo shoots. You can also sell these as digital assets to small businesses. Money-making idea number 3. Print on-demand merch. This is a goldmine. Use Nano Banana to create unique designs from your own photos. For example, turn a photo of your dog into a cartoon-style sticker design. Upload that design to a print-on-demand site like Redbubble or Teespring. When someone buys a sticker, a t-shirt, or a mug with your design, the company handles the printing and shipping, and you earn a profit. The possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're a student, a creative, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to try something new, Nano Banana puts the power of professional-grade image editing in your hands. So go on, give it a try. Use the tips and tricks we've shared, explore your creativity, and who knows, you might just start your own little Nano Banana business.